Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can write something on Trello board that no one sees it except you. So let's get started. First, open the Trello board where you want to use private notes. On the top menu, click on Power-Ups. In the search bar, type Private Notes. Once you see it, click Add to enable it on your board. After adding the power-up, go to any card on your board and open it. You'll now see a new panel or section called Private Notes. This is your personal space inside the card. You can type anything here: reminders, client details, draft ideas, and it will only be visible to you, not to anyone else with access to the board. You can add as many notes as you want, and they stay completely private. So, whether you're working with a team or sharing your board with external people, private notes gives you that extra layer of privacy to organize your own thoughts while keeping collaboration clean and transparent. It's like having your own private notebook built right into Trello, and once you set it up, you'll wonder how you managed without it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.